bubbled them wrong.
Just have to say that you're
Let's
fine
see what the
and not feeling
SAT
fine.
Bible has to say about this. Ah! It's here! Huh, okay, alright. Never, ever bubble in all your answers at once at the end. Oh. If you don't want to bubble in answers one by one, then bubble in batches, whether after finishing one passage for reading and writing, or after a page of questions in math. Cramming all the bubbles at once forces you to rush, leaving room to make careless bubbling errors. This can happen especially if you skipped a question to return to it later and then forgot to do it. Remember, if even one bubbled answer is off, the rest of the bubbles will be off as well. To avoid this, either bubble in your answer after each question or a short set of questions. The point is to find which method best fits you and practice it until you can bubble quickly, accurately, and consistently. All right, that's probably what happened. I shouldn't have bubbled in so many answers at the end. Also, I think I totally forgot to answer one. That must have been what happened. I was off from that point on. Oh,